I'll have the chicken steam noodles out.
Flic.
Oui.
Bullet, no.
Have we?
Not bullet.
Yeah, both two.
No, not bullet.
What? No. No, the
One is steamed noodles.
steamed noodles, yeah. Chicken steamed noodles, and then vegetable fried noodle.
Yeah.
See, I said it right, thank
I
you.
told you I was wrong. Look at this, some genuine Mauritian food, not sausage and chips. This hurricane, it's class 2 now, isn't it?
Class 2 cyclone.
Kicks in. It's going to be dangerous for them. Anyway, I'll be in a flat.
Yeah, poor shacks.
See, it's pretty rough. I don't know if you can see it through there, but it looks pretty rough. So we've got the boiled noodles. It's mine. And she's got the fried noodles. Fucking flying them. Bloody fly. Oh.
There's loads of flies around here.
Flies everywhere.
So it's my first try of fried noodles.
Another fried noodles.
Oh.
Like eh?
That's really, really good.
Very
flavourful. Really good. Nice. I asked for vegetable, but I think there are bits of chicken in. However, I'm very okay with that.
Well, noodles is good, but I did right.
Can we swap them out? So we're at Eurofood. They do noodles, rice, grilled, upside down bowl, which I really want to try.
That's the next thing she's got to try, upside down bowls. Never an upside down bowl.
Yeah. So hot.
Food done. I'm going to check out the sea. So it's usually pretty calm, isn't it?
Yeah, today it's quite rough.
But today, it's pretty rough. Little sparrow. It's pretty rough. Look at the boy, it's going for it.
Wow, loads of people in the sea.
Yeah, loads of people. Can't see them on the screen. Pretty rough out, yeah?
Yeah, it's really rough today.
Yeah.
It's been very, very windy. But it's still very, very hot.
It's very busy. Very nice. I can't see it from there. It's so sunny.
No, it's really, really sunny.
Very sunny, so we don't know if you can see us. So, swing this camera around like a lunatic.
Yeah, it was completely dead down here earlier. Everyone's trying to get out before the cyclone hits.
It is. Like, where do we go? Where do we go? Oh, there we go.
Go back.
How we are?
Towels.
Yeah.
Change.
Get towels.
Get towels. Come back.
That's the plan.
Stuff.
Towels, water, everything else. I can't see it right now. Towels and water. Oh, someone's kid's having a right strop.
Oh God, he is, isn't he? Really stropping.
Right. Shoppy little bugger. Right. So, let's head off back to the room. Back to the room. Oh, I can see us now. You don't seem to ever be in it, ain't it? And it's back to the room. And we'll get
Water.
and booze.
Change into swimming stuff.
My wrist
Get our
on the rum.
towels. And look how dark it is over there.